Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first step is to create your project and of course add some videos or photos to your timeline, and then simply click on this type tool icon, or you can simply press T on your keyboard. Then simply hover your mouse on your video and simply click on it, and then you can add your text like this. As you can see, now we have this text layer, and as you can see we can simply resize it. And now what you can do is simply edit this text font and colors. So in order to do that, you'll have to go here to window, and then here you'll have to go to effects controls. Make sure to enable this option here, and then here you'll have to click here, and as you can see you can change the font, you can change the size, and you can change the color, add stroke, add background, add shadows. So you can play around with these settings. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.